So over here you can see that I have a bunch of clips, and let's see what I want to do is I want to replace a particular clip right here. In that case, I can right click on this particular clip and then click on replace clip right here. Once you do that, you need to go around and select out another clip that you want to replace it with, and then click on open. And once you do that, depending on the timing of this clip, you can see that this range will be imported right here, and you can see a preview over here as well. And you can also utilize the original video effect over here on this particular clip. So I'm just going to go around and click on replace, and then this is the video right here. You can go around and change around the in and out point right here whenever you want. Similarly, you can go around and replace out the clip right here and then select something else over here, just like this. Let's say, for example, if I were to select this and click on open, then this particular clip will be replaced as well, as you can see, and the timing will remain intact. Everything else will be cut, so you can go around and adjust it if you want to make any changes. And that is how you can replace out clips inside of your timeline, inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.